Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, it's down here. I'm thinking of old YouTube, it's down here. Anyway, as you guys can tell by the title of today's video, I'm gonna be doing another wig unboxing video. The unit that I'm wearing today is called Iza. It is from Empress Sensationnel. This is a Swiss silk-based unit. It has 4x4 closure. By silk-based, it means that it's a silk-based closure, so it's gonna be softer than your typical closure, which is good because you're not gonna have that itchy sensation going on. And with that 4x4 parting space, you can shift the wig, so instead of wearing it just as a middle part, you can wear it as a side part as well on either side. As always, I did get this unit in jet black 1. That is my preference. And on the back of the information card, you're just going to see what other colors this unit comes in. So taking a look underneath the unit, you guys can see that there are 2 combs surrounding the parting / closure space. And at the bottom of the unit, there's going to be an additional comb as well as adjustable straps on each side. Straight out of the package, this is what the unit looks like, and I'm definitely getting major cone head vibes. This is puffing up on its own. The rest of my head is laying down flat, but it's just puffing up right here for whatever reason, and I'm really not a fan. As you guys can see, it does come with that customary amount of lace that synthetic units do come with. It does have a little bit of baby hairs just already cut into the unit. However, if you guys have seen any previous wig reviews on my channel, you guys know that I'm not a fan of baby hairs. I don't like it. It looks like very bad breakage. I'm not a fan. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and shape up this unit to my satisfaction, and then I'm going to come back to you guys at the very end with all my thoughts, questions, comments, concerns, all that jazz. So you guys, this is the finished look. As you guys can see, I did go ahead and hit the parting space with some scalp tone powder. I just used my Ulta contour kit, and I used the shade Bombshell Bronzer. So starting off with some pros, I really do like the parting space. The closure on this, it is very, very natural. It looks really, really good. Even if I didn't apply this powder, it still would have looked good without the powder. However, going ahead and getting into like the most obvious thing, I mentioned earlier that it was giving me cone vibes, and it got a little bit better. However, I tried to hit this with my flat iron 2 times and it didn't flatten out. And I looked at it, and it's honestly just the way that the cap is constructed. Like, my hair is laid down flat. It's just like right here, it's bunching up. Everywhere else is nice and smooth, but right here, it's coning up. And I'm really not a fan because it looks so cartoonish. It looks tacky, like it looks wiggy. My head is not in a cone formation. Like, everywhere else lays down flat. Like, from the side, this looks fine. But then you turn to the front and I have like this cone head. So like, I wanted this to work out. I wanted to like this unit. However, it just has poor construction of the cap. And that's not to say that if you get the unit, then you're gonna have a bad unit. However, mine is just not made very well. And I really wanted to like it because it's a cute length. I'm liking bobs for summer. It moves enough so that it's not like touching me all the time. It's ideal for summer. However, this was just poorly constructed. In terms of shine, it has a very natural, healthy luster. You guys can see it has good movement. There's no need for me to stand. You guys can see that it's hitting me right here at my collarbones. In terms of shedding, there was a decent amount of hair coming out when I was brushing it. It was just coming out, like just falling out. So I'm not sure what that's about because this is, I mean, it's not a super thick unit. It's a natural density unit. So it's probably gonna thin out with time. I mean, yeah, it's a natural density unit, so if it keeps shedding like that, just from me gently brushing it, it's probably gonna thin out very soon over time. Running my fingers through it, I'm not getting any snags, which is good. It's very, very soft. Feels like human hair. As you guys can see from the side, the cut on this is very, very clean. I like that it's not choppy. This unit had a lot of potential. I'm wondering like if other people, if they have this cone head going on, or if mine really was just poorly constructed and I just got a bad unit. I don't know, maybe I could put on like a scarf or something and try to cover this up because I really want it to work. Like, look, if I just do this, look how cute that is. Look at that. That's so cute. I love it. But then I take it away and it just starts to puff back up. So like, I can't pull it forward because I try to pull it forward, pull it down, and it's still doing the same thing. So I don't know, if you just do that and take away the conage, it looks cute. It's really cute. I don't know. I really wanted this to work out, and I can't like sit like this the whole time of the whole review. But yeah, that is all. That was a major thing to like set it off. I really wanted this to work. I don't know. I'm upset because I feel like it's money wasted, but you live and you learn. Just so you guys can see what the 4x4 parting space looks like, just taking a comb, Bam, look at that. That's so good. Looks like it's growing out of your scalp. Other side. Look at that. That looks so good. This unit had so much potential. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll make sure that I have all of the pertinent information in the description box below. If you guys want to see more wig unboxing first impression videos, definitely comment that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
I just wanna love you, just to make you smile, that's the motive.